Hello viewers, 4DIYers here, back with another video for everyone. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to remove the gauge cluster on a BMW E23. This is a 1984 733i, and a similar procedure may apply to other BMW models of this generation. First, using a small standard screwdriver, gently slip in that screwdriver along the side of the emblem in the steering wheel and pop the cap out of its location. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws along the top of the gauge cluster assembly. In my case, I only had 1 screw, which was at the center. Then, using a 22mm socket and ratchet, remove the center nut for the steering wheel. Once that nut has been removed, you can then remove the steering wheel. There will be a flat washer in here, so that can be removed before removing the steering wheel or after. Just make sure you don't lose it. Then, using a small standard screwdriver, gently pry down the top of the gauge cluster. This will help disconnect it from the dashboard. Finally, gently pull out the gauge cluster. There will be various wire connectors in behind which need to be removed. You may also find that pushing the steering column in will help with gaining a little more room. Using that small standard screwdriver again, remove the first connector. This is the white connector on the left side of the cluster. Use the small standard screwdriver to pry that black clip up from the connector and then pull the connector straight out. Next, remove the 2 flat terminals. One is white and the other is blue. I'm slowly working my way across from left to right on the gauge cluster, removing all those connectors. There is a center connector that goes in behind the light indicator panel. This already popped off when removing the gauge cluster. I'll show you further on in the video during the assembly. Now for the yellow and blue connectors, again is the same as the white connector. Pry up that center black retaining clip and then gently pop the connector right off. Finally, the gauge cluster can then be removed. Here's another view of all those electrical connectors. There are 3 of the same type, white, yellow, and blue. Each of these have plastic clips. When that clip is fully pushed down, the connector is locked into place. Using a standard screwdriver to pop that black clip up, the connector can then be removed. All of these connectors are fairly hard to mix up as they have specific lengths and are specific styles. Here's the other connector that popped off for the light indicator. And finally, here's a view in behind the gauge cluster. For reassemblies and reversal removal, being that this is an old electrical system, I went ahead and applied some electrical contact cleaner to each of the plugs and terminals to ensure everything is working correctly and there's no issues down the road. I did end up replacing the SI board in this, and that'll be saved for a future video. I worked from right to left in reversal removal. First was plugging in those yellow and blue connectors, then the center light indicator, the white and blue connectors, and finally the white connector. The white, yellow, and blue connectors, make sure they are fully seated, then push down that black clip to fully lock it into place. After that, the gauge cluster can then be pushed back into place. Feed the bottom in first and then finish up at the top. Take your time, as this is older plastic and it can be brittle where it easily cracks or breaks. Install those 3 Phillips screws. Then finish up with the steering wheel. There should be a center punch mark on the steering wheel shaft and the steering wheel. Make sure those marks are lined up. If yours doesn't have any, make sure your wheels are straight and then install the wheel accordingly. If you do find it's a little off, then you can take the vehicle for a test drive and leave the installation of the BMW emblem to the very last. The torque specification for the steering wheel nut is 58 foot-pounds or 80 Newton meters. After that, you can then align the emblem and push it into place. This concludes the rest of my video. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.